This is a ring keypad. They're not exactly hard wired. Whoever installed this one originally put some holes in the sheetrock and screwed that mounting base down into place, and then ran the plug-in wire down to that outlet down there. Well, that looked very sloppy, and I was asked, hey, you're handy. Can you hardwire this thing? To which I said, I am not an electrician, but sure do like a challenge. So I turned to the internet and to the YouTube and all the other resources and really didn't find much of anything at the time I was looking. Down in here, you see that it's still just plugged in. That outlet that I call a clock outlet, but is more popularly called a recessed outlet. I picked one up at Menards. Then got a hole in the wall, put in one of these guys. This is an old work double gang box. Put that in place. Luckily there's an outlet nearby that I was able to tie into. The plate that this darn thing is on, let's pull that off there very carefully, has 3 screws, as you saw by what was mounted earlier. The top 2 really aren't that far off from what a double gang box is. I went to my local Runnings. They've got a big selection of Hillman hardware. Grabbed 3 inch long, 1/4 inch metal spacers. They're hollow inside. And some number 6 screws. The top 2 sort of lined up with the box there, so I was able to put the screws through the mounting plate, through the spacers, into the box. Those are a couple of 2-inch by number 6 screws. The bottom, I just drilled a hole and we ran the screw that way. That's actually just 1.5 inches. Mounted this mounting plate that way, and then wrapped up the cord, did a little zip tie, boom, boom, pow, and it's not exactly hardwired, but the wires are mostly hidden from everyday view. The people are somewhat happy with the results. Hardwired ring keypad, sorta.